Hello everyone. Hello. This is Social Media Wahala TV. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. My people, there is one topic when I want to talk about today for advice to our ladies. Because our ladies, they really they get this thing wrong, because now two topic I want to talk about today. Before I go start, I first talk about one man we just beat his wife till his wife beme before he leave her. Like seriously, this man, sometimes if this domestic violence they really happen, I don't know what they make our women not they run for their life. Okay, you with this man, una don dey follow each other. You don't see and say, very beautiful woman. If you see this woman, my people, very beautiful. This man just, God. For Igbo land, now this one for happen. Not be Benin, na Igbo land. This man, you're by himself. And the woman get belle. 3 months belle. This man, marriage, whenever I even reach now 3 months, the marriage even day now. This man, just by himself, made his wife just like that. Or because of beating. He beat him. And I believe, say, not be the first time where this thing go down they occur. Not be first time. Where this man go down they do this thing, no, this woman not wrong. Why he be say, if something never pass Joromi, people know they cry come out. Okay, now. This man, he don't made this woman. This woman not there alive again now to testify, to talk what really happened. Now let the man and they talk. They invite them for the man at this station now. They ask him for Igbo, for there they talk, But that is this man, before you just come beat your wife, ask the wife, don't me now, how you feel now? You dey happy now, be waiting now. You dey happy now. If you now see this beautiful one, we even marry this man, we be atutu boyo so, una go even surprise. If you now see this woman the way you find this man just by himself, make una dey control una anger. Control your anger. Don't let your anger control you. Control your anger. Una no go here. Una no go here. Now, this man, he don't by himself finish this woman. The woman, don't me. Who go talk for the woman? With pregnancy, my people. That is, me not just understand the way some people today, this marriage of 18, if you did even some some women go just vex because their husband as they mad body, na so they do woman body too. Because you see get one when I see that time when the man just by himself, the woman, because the husband cheat, he just pour water, he pour for the man body. The other one again, the husband cheat, he just by himself carry the man John 2 months, he cut her for him. The other one again, because the husband cheat, he just made the man too. Marriage, this marriage of 18, so now do or die something. Let me wonder. Now do or die. So does it mean say if a marriage don't work out now, so now don't you go on a separate ways until when one go up me inside before now we can rest? Like seriously? Me, I don't understand. I don't just understand the way people think they take this marriage thing. When they be saying now, what social media just take come on a different thing. And we just call the see. Different thing. You go there with man. You see say the thing not they work out. You see say that's also beating. That's also the evil sleepers. That's also if you they call them when you the evil they tambo, you see they there. You can still go ahead, go marry that same man. What do you expect? You this woman now. What do you expect? And what do you expect? Then you go see. Eh? And what do you expect? Then you go see. When I go there with man, when I go see the thing, you know they work out, you know the game where they go. When I go see they there. Okay, go see one and they cry now because the man. If the man they go anywhere they travel, you go buy a rubber, you go buy am for the man, make the man carry follow body, because you know say the man must do for where they go. But now you they encourage him. You know say na that kind of man now, you see they follow him. What about if you na come marry now? You can't see say this man he not change. Now what he did do? You can't they cry tomorrow when you know say na so it be. When you don't already know say na so it be. You can't they cry tomorrow. You know if you cry because you don't already know. Say na so it be. Me I don't understand. When you they see something now, they see the stone they come for up now. You see no, you say no. You see they there. Una go there with man. Una go don't notice and say this thing, this relationship self, the guy self, they even they treat you bad for the relationship. You see go ahead, you go marry that kind of man. You can't expect say go change. You can't expect him. Now people like this ones now they will see person oh good though they jealous. Though they feel saying that jazz or not this. Not be jazz. Not be jazz. Because now the way she take want her, now take prepare her. Now the way he take want he bed though, now he take something prepare him, make it fine. But now no. See this one now, he don't make this woman now. This woman don't go. He don't go. But suppose she know that time with the man, maybe when the man they beat her that time, if for something run for her life. Because me, you see, domestic violence are not the at all. I don't like man where we say they beat woman. Because if mama not born her for you, say maybe they beat her. The day when you go ask of fiance, you want marry her. You not tell the mama say I'm beating you, want go they beat her. Because if you tell them, they not go give you. Nah. You can't turn the woman to punch you back for us. And this mountain are beating. If you don't see this man, Oduma. You not gonna see your mate when you go fight. Now your wife, now you work on the beat. A pregnant woman for that matter. Like seriously. You not understand the way some mates they behave. Your wife will get belly. What you go even do you rich like that? I know say if some women get belly, body they prepare them. But not if you be real man, if you say your woman, you want start, you so if you carry your bag, you come for house. If she don't calm down, you come house. And if you say you know if you tolerate that woman again, for what she did do, carry and go give your mama. The way you take go marry him too. Don't say when you want carry and go give him, you don't blind one of your eye. No. Before you call your bitch woman, beat and. Like seriously. Me no understand. Like don't always say happen for Germany that time too. You don't beat woman, you go say the woman see the way she they do. You don't go leave him. You see continue. Until when the woman just finish. Eh? That is it. Some men they wicked. Some men some men they wicked really. What if the woman go just do you rich like that? We be say, you know, coffee beer and again, you can say not to just finish the woman. This man who did has been in talk. Been go say who did on out there. You too do. You know, coffee say this woman, or me you go report to a family, say whether she they do you anything bad. The next way you do not to just beat and with belly 3 months, my people. This man are very wicked, man. You wicked. Your wicked part 2 not there. You they wicked, this man. My people. Some people, I don't understand though. I don't know where this world they go again. I don't know, my people. I don't know. Because the way what you call the apple for this world now, nobody know. We be say somebody go just dance I want to be a woman na go dey. As the woman now don't go now, wetin can be your gain now for his side? Wetin be your gain now? How you can feel now? You dey happy now as your woman not dey with you now. You dey happy. Marriage won't you're married. We never just say. A man now did you or now be a if I bought can fear kunlili where you can do reagir you too do. My people, the thing they really vex me really. Take care, oh my people. I'm gonna share this video for me because this man, a very wicked man, my people. Very, very wicked. Take care, everybody. Until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. If you've never subscribed for Lady J, go subscribe too. So thank you. Bye. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share the video for me. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.